And, speaking of air conditioners, those extreme temperatures mean that our most vulnerable are at the greatest risk for heat-related illness. So North Texas churches and organizations, they're stepping up to make sure that people in our communities are not forgotten. Here's Candace Sweat.
With temperatures repeatedly reaching triple digits, heat-related illness is a looming threat. During these times, people are encouraged to look out for themselves and others. The local church is known for doing just that.
There are times when a specific demographic is mentioned: children, widows, the elderly. So it's a work that we are required to do.
Andre Washington is with Concord Church in Oak Cliff, where some 3,200 members are over the age of 55.
I like to call them the forerunners of this era. We wouldn't be where we are if it weren't for people like that, so why not give them back in such a critical time when our temperatures are hitting triple digits?
Concord recently partnered with the Senior Source, an organization that looks out for the well-being of older adults. Together, some 300 AC units were distributed to elders in the community.
We had people lined up at 6 a.m. for their appointment because I wanted to make sure that they didn't run out.
CEO Stacy Malcolmson says the Senior Source also paid utility bills for more than 300 people over the last several weeks.
We also make sure that they have some food. They've got healthy recipes. We did some health checks. We did cooling towels, because it's not just that AC unit that can get us through that heat, but giving them other amenities and benefits that'll help them make their day a little brighter.
According to the CDC, people aged 65 and older are at a greater risk for heat-related illness for several reasons. Elderly people don't adjust as well as young people to sudden changes in temperature. They're more likely to have a chronic medical condition that changes normal body response to heat, and they're more likely to take prescription medications that affect the body's ability to control its temperature or sweat. Washington says the approach to taking care of the elderly is practical. Reach out, ask the probing questions, and take action.
We will never find out if we don't reach out to them, because sometimes they may not take the initiative to reach out to us because they're just trying to survive.
Candace Sweat, NBC 5.